Hey everyone, welcome to Plant Therapy. Today I wanted to make a quick video to share this unboxing from Gabriella Plants. I got some goodies. Two of these I actually have in my collection, but I wanted to start propagating them. So, price was right. Decided to go ahead and purchase. Here's one special one. I'm going to leave that one till the end. So just hold on for that one. Try to hang out. I'll keep it short and sweet today if I can. Hope all is well with you guys. I've been pretty busy, so I haven't been popping out my videos like usual. Just life, you know how that goes. But I just got home from work a little while ago in the market, running errands, and found this on my doorstep. So I thought I'd get the camera going and share this with you right quick. Ooh, this is nice. So I have a Numeroloides, Hoya Numeroloides, but look at this one. This looks like it's a little bit more mature than my little baby. Looking pretty good. It's a very fuzzy kind of leaf. And you know, when the bright light hits it, you see that it has this cute little pattern in the leaves. You can't appreciate that right now. And I got to clean this up a little bit. It's a little dusty from its trip from Florida. But it is looking good. Like I said, I'll try to keep this short and sweet. Now this plant, I love the way they pack them, by the way. They do such a good job. And I save this stuff in case I decide to ship a plant out to somebody. I've done it a couple of times. Wanted to test my skills and test the postal delivery as well. Okay, this one has a story. It's a 3-inch Pachaclata. Now, Pachaclata, I think it's Pachaclata. However, I believe that the name has changed. So I will get that name and post that for you as well. I'll post it on the screen because it's a really doozy of a name. So, but I'm pretty sure this was the one, and I found out recently was reclassified. It's still a Hoya, but different name. Oh, this is pretty. Looks different than my other one. It's funny. I'll have to show you guys my other one in comparison. Maybe I'll take a picture of it and put it on the screen. Another fuzzy leaf. However, you'll see with my other one, I think the leaves are rounder. And it's been doing really well. I really love this plant. So having another one, not a bad idea. The price was right though. They've been having some sales on their plants, and I think the Hoyas are worth it. So, and they take traveling in a box pretty well. Now this is the one that I am anxious about. I hope it's as pretty as I think it's going to be. My Hoya collection, I've never had a Lecanosa. And a lot of people find that surprising, but I never got a Lecanosa. Now, Croniana is very similar, but I believe the Lecanosa leaves are a little different. They're longer and pointier than the Croniana. I love my Croniana my Cornianas. I have a couple of them. Got the Silver Splash, and I think one of them is actually a Super Silver, but I'm not absolutely sure. Never been sure. I thought it was labeled the same as the first Silver Splash. Ooh, okay. So this one is a 4-inch Hoya Lacanosa mint. Let me get rid of this box. So let's see what this looks like. I believe they're really fast growers. And I was reading earlier that their flowers tend to smell like cinnamon. Wow, look at this. Ooh, I think she needs some water. Seriously needs water. Okay. So the leaves are definitely different than the Corniana. It's a pretty minty color, kind of like that. This one feels kind of firm. So yeah, I think this plant probably needs some water pretty soon. I'll be watering this. But I just wanted to share these 3 pretty babies with you. So here we are, Pachaclata, Lacanosa Mint, and Numeroloides. Hope I'm saying that right. My 3 new babies. I've decided to focus more on my Hoya passion and increase. I'm going to be propagating, and maybe eventually I may try to sell some of those props once they're big enough and mature enough to go to a new home. So that's kind of something I've been thinking about for the future. So anyway, I'll be sharing all that stuff with you. I have over here, I think you could see, I have cuttings from my pubicalyx that kind of took a beating in the greenhouse outside in that heat. The plant started looking like pretty bad, so I took cuttings and put them in fluval stratum, and I'll be potting those up. I have enough roots now, so maybe I'll get the camera going when I do that. I have several repotting things to do, so I will be sharing that with you. But other than that, you guys have a wonderful night. And if I get this camera going, I'll definitely share it with you. See you soon.